Alrighty, welcome back. Do not, and I mean do not, forget to like and subscribe if you're on YouTube, so you don't miss any of these amazing live streams. Let's get stuck into it. Thursday. We love that. Get rid of you. Get rid of you. Bring this over here. If anybody is on YouTube and know how to get a YouTube chat to come up, please tell me, because I've tried a few different things, but I can't pin them to my screen as I have here with my TikTok. Doesn't show up. Like I can get it up, but it doesn't stay up, which is annoying. So yes, let me know if anyone knows. Sienna, what's good? Thank you for liking. How are you? What's going on? Try lowering the music. Is the music too loud? Let's have a look.
A small balloon is placed.
Small balloon, apparently. Yeah, what's up, big bones? How are we today? How are we all? Thursday. It's been a fantastic day, to be honest. Alright. It's been a fantastic day, to be honest. Oh, it's a tad too loud. Tad too loud. Is that a bit better? Oh, Sienna, my day has been good. My day's actually been really good. Yeah, it's good. Sweet, sweet, sweet. My day's been good. I fucking woke up, did my Russian, straight off to the gym, smashed shoulders, came straight home, and I've been talking to people on Discord, meetings, doing all this shit. It's been a bit hectic today. But it's been fucking good. It's been good. Bryce! What's going on? What's going on? How's Croatia? What time is it over there? That video was sick. Привет. Live won't load properly. Fuck! You can try YouTube. Я немного кривил по-русски. Добро пожаловать. Добро пожаловать. Afternoon, what up, Meegsy? 10:45, about to eat and go on boats for 12 hours. Fuck that. Have fun. Have fun. I'll give you a buzz sometime. Maybe tomorrow or some shit. I don't know. I'll figure it out. Met the missus in Croatia. You hear that, Bryce? Nah, he's locked down. Thank you, mate. Good luck with the boat. Enjoy your trip. And I'll give you a buzz soon. Go to a Croatian sail. They're hectic. God, the fucking... My hair gets real flat and dry during fucking... Give me a call whenever. Will do. I'll just have to figure out the time so it's not like fucking 7 a.m. like calling you. Yeah. What was that? What the fuck was I just saying? I don't even know. What the fuck was I just saying? Polka dot at $6 is a bargain. I don't trade it. I don't even know. They don't call me the Croatian sensation for nothing. I love it. I love it. Basically a party bloke for a week going different island. Oh, dude, I don't know if I'd like that, eh? Like just the isolation on like a boat and an island and shit. I feel like that'd be horrible. For me, at least. For a lot of people, it'd probably be pretty good. What do we have? Reach 2 subscribers. That's not gonna happen. Go live on 4 days. That should be today, no? It's Thursday. Yeah. Oh, Sienna. A new Sienna. The other Sienna's in here. Thank you very much for the roses. No more. You gave me too much yesterday. We'll hit that. Okay, what do we have? Let me guess. Speedy. Yep. Okay. 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 All right. That's better. That's better. Is everything turned off? That's what I want to know. You can't have any new positions come in. Oh, we got another tier 3. 33 left. I'm taking it. We're popping a tier 3 today. Fuck yeah. That won't happen. We might get to 100k likes if we go for that long. Sienna with another 8 roses. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Thank you, thank you. I said no more. No more. It was nice to meet you guys last night as well. Fletcher's been in here forever. Like, Fletcher's like a legit day oneer. So, it was nice to talk to him. And he's still my top gifter ever. It's crazy. I've been doing this for months now. What do you trade and can you make a living off trading? Well, I do. And I trade currencies, Forex. There's another Sienna, yeah. Done 1k already. Speedy, how's the drawdown going? Are you getting there? If he wants to talk about it, he can. I don't know if he's still in here. Surviving. Oh, and actually got a bit of profit too. I fucking made $100. Yes, we'll take it. We'll take it. Yeah, okay. Milano Good GTO. Milano GTO. Thank you very much for following me. And PNW Living. Thank you very much for following me. I think we'll hit 400 members in the Discord today. I think we will. If I can maybe just press it a little bit and be getting people to come in. We're at 393. We're almost at 400, which is nuts. Absolutely fucking nuts. So, hey, can someone check how many followers I have on TikTok? How far are we off from that? Fucking YouTube chat's not working, so now I have to fucking open it. I have to open my stream up. Bet Oswald, thank you very much for following me. I'm gonna put this down to 144. Muted. Just have the live chat there instead. That'll work. Should be sweet. Good. Likes. Sienna 1.6, Migsy 1.2, the other Sienna 200, Speedy 121, Bryce 30, AJ 17, Milano GTO 2. Thank you guys very much for the likes. Thank you. All right. Make a trade every day. Come on. What's your favorite pair to trade and why? I don't have a favorite pair. My least favorite are probably Swiss and Yens, but the rest of them, I trade all of them. What website do you use? I use Black Bull Markets for my broker and MetaTrader 4 for the charts. Bullish all the way. Bullish on what? About 6. Thanks. 3,720. Okay. All right, we probably won't hit 4K. We're creeping up there. 3,723. What do you trade on? I want to get into it. Sure. Discord's linked to my bio. I explain all of that in my 1 hour video. I got a 1 hour free video you can go watch. Discord's linked to my bio. Jump in there, and then it's free too. 3,000, 4,000. Okay. Actually doing better than expected. Cut 300 ish and already recovered half. Yeah. How to get into trading and learning and trade? Discord. Go to my Discord, watch the 1 hour video, and then there's a few different directions. I say this a lot. The regular's probably sick of me. Oh, and Sienna with another 5 roses. Thank you, Sienna. Sorry, I didn't see that. There's a few different directions. You can either join the mentorship and learn my strategy, get my bot, all of that shit, blah, 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 get all my indicators that I developed. Or you can go find a different person that you want to learn their strategy from, probably pay for all their shit, blah, 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 blah. Or you can just come into the Discord and ask me some questions and maybe try and figure it out yourself if you want. Is it a certain app? How do you start day trading? Yeah, so MetaTrader 4 is the application. What market is this? This is US dollar yen. Nice recovery, yep. How do you go about learning how to... Fuck, everybody's in here asking. Q2 sweaty. Hudson, hopefully you heard that. 2K, about 4.8K total. Fucking hell, we're rolling in, 5.6. And we got the viewers back. Are you guys looking at this? We might actually get our viewership back. TikTok might actually allow us to get our viewership back, which would be sick. When should you try for a funded account? You need to be very competent in trading before starting funded accounts. That's my recommendation. I'm learning trading, but I actually start, should I do a funded account? No, you shouldn't. Not when you're starting out. What's your bias for London and why? I don't have a bias for it. Evening, what up, Cheers and Chong? Do you take trades, bro? I swear I've never seen you take one. No, I don't. Well, I do, but I don't. Flexity, oh, okay. Oh, fuck. Sorry, I gotta pause the... like I do, but a bot takes it. I'll explain in a second. Flexity, thank you for sharing a lot, and thank you for following. And Shorefeardol, thank you very much for following too. Day trading is too risky for me though. Fair enough. Down 1,500 on my PA. What's PA? I'm about to get into this. Nice. Join the Discord if you want. Discord's linked to my bio. More people. We're getting more. We're finally, our viewership, TikTok's like, okay, you can have some viewers now. Cheers and Chong. Cheech and Chong. Thank you very much for following me. So I have a bot that does all the entries for me. So I'm in heaps of trades right now, but I don't manually enter them. When my criteria is met, the bot will get me into trades. And this one, I got fucking so close to my TP and then it retraced back, which I just missed it. I saw it crashing. I saw it fucking around yesterday's low. And I was like, do I want to take it off? And then I was like, not enough profit. And then I came back when we'd crawled back up to yesterday's fucking low. And I was like, I would have just taken it here, but whatever. And then we're bouncing off yesterday's low again. And we might bounce. Depends. Don't really know, but yeah, it's very annoying. But I am in lots of trades, and I'm always in trades, literally always. It's just I don't manually take them, and I'm not a scalper, so I'm more day to swing. So it'll be very rare that on my 2-hour streams I get into many trades at all, and I don't put them in personally. So yeah. Does your Discord do when markets open, like time zone and how to enter or sell? No. That's more signal providers that you're talking about. And signal providers are pretty much a scam almost every time. Yeah. I wouldn't run with a signal provider. I actually teach people shit and how to do it themselves, because signal providers is again pretty much just a get rich quick scheme, and trying to do it get the easy road. How do you have bots? I developed it. So you code it on MT4, MetaTrader 4, which is the platform that I use. I meant when do markets IRL times? What? I'm confused. Can you just, if that's all right, can you just word that? And it just runs, 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. When do they open IRL time? New York at the moment, fuck, I don't even know what time the sessions are right now because they change all the time. But the last time I checked, I'm pretty sure it was 5:30 for London, 5:30 p.m. for London, I think, and 11:30 for New York. Don't quote me on that because I don't actually pay attention to session opens, and I haven't paid attention to session opens in a couple of months. So I don't know if the time zones have changed, but it's in between like 5 p.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time till like 12:30 p.m. For London and New York session. I don't quote me on that though. You just look it up in your own time zone. Yes, I live in Australia. Thank you, Sienna. What's your best mouth? This one? Best month. I had a 40% month a while ago. This is using standard trading practices. I had a 40% month, like, that was probably almost 2 years ago. See you later, Sienna. Take it easy. Have a good night. I appreciate you coming in and giving me some likes and everything. Thank you very much. Take it easy. But my best month was in November 2023 when I caught the Japanese intervention and made a disgusting amount of money off that. But that was more of a gamble on a fun account. But standard trading practices, it was like 40%. It was crazy. That does not happen very often. I average around 7.5% a month. What, you trading Forex? Can we get bots? Like, do you sell them or what? It's for the mentorship guys. I developed it for the mentorship guys. So the guys that are in there get it. But you can go and buy them if you want, but they can cost hundreds, if not thousands of dollars. Do you trade Forex? Yep. What's the best brokerage for funded accounts? Probably FTMO. But I don't recommend funded accounts. I see, but do you trade Forex? Yep. What are you trading? Forex currencies. So if I join Discord, I can get bots. If you join the Discord, that's just the free Discord where we just chat and talk shit and whatever. And you can message me, but it's the mentorship guys that pay for the VIP Discord that get it. That link's also in my bio. Mijo? I don't know how to pronounce that. Thank you very much for following me. Why not funded accounts? Fantastic question. So, especially for beginners, funded accounts are very difficult to pass, even as advanced traders. And I know a lot of people that aren't on the internet that are extremely good traders who blow them all the time. It's more of a gamble. Think about it, right? So all prop firms, or they're pretty much 99% of them, use demo accounts. So they're only making money from you guys failing your challenges. So they want you to fail. They don't want you to win because they lose money. So they want you to fail, so they make extremely difficult rules to pass. This music's so loud in my ears, distracting me, sorry. They make extremely difficult rules to pass so as you have an almost guaranteed chance of failing. So they just keep rolling in the money, and then they get influencers to promote it to show you that, oh, you can make money, and it just brings all these people into funded accounts, and they blow them all the time, and then the prop firms just get richer and richer and richer. I've been learning AU, paper trading, up 10K, nice. What's your daily detail? How do you find the last session detail? I'm sorry, I don't understand what you're saying. I apologize. Yeah, cause I'm pretty sure it's like $250. It's not. It's free. Zurich, it is, yeah. Demo accounts are free. Haley, thank you very much for following me. I have no clue what this is, but what are options and futures? What do you do? I don't do options or futures. I do contracts for difference. Google options and futures compared to CFDs. You trading on funded? No. I have a funded account, but I don't promote it to anyone. Best way to start? Join my Discord. Discord is linked to my bio. Go watch the 1 hour free video, and that'll give you a lot of insight into how to get started. No, like funded accounts are $250. Oh yeah, funded accounts. Yeah, I'm pretty sure you said demo. Yeah, demo. Yeah, funded accounts you have to pay. BBB, thank you very much for following me. How do you know when to buy or sell? I don't know anything about trading. Well, you need a methodology, right? So you have to go back in time and find. There's a few different ways. Like people trade just with price action. So what's this candle doing? Let's go back in time and see how this sort of pattern plays out when this sort of news event comes out. What's the reaction? Is there a specific reaction that happens when these sorts of figures come out? So you have to pay attention to fundamentals and the technical analysis of what is happening, whether that be certain indicators that you choose to have a bias towards which way the market goes when that indicator indicates that the market is going to shift in a direction or continue going in that direction. There's lots of different ways that you can determine where the market can go or potentially might go, but nothing's guaranteed. How do you identify high time frame liquidity? I don't. Thank you. Do you trade off liquidity sweeps? No, I'm pretty sure that's some ICT bullshit. Thank you for following me. I think that's an emoji, I can't see it. Is this true on? What? I'm gonna take notes on your Discord. All sweet. I also watched TJR. Okay. Actually, you know what's funny? I actually watched a TJR video today. Well, I didn't. I watched about 5 minutes of it. It came up in like some recommended, and I was like, fuck it, I'm gonna click on this. I was like, what the fuck is this absolute garbage that's fucking... I was just like, fuck me. This is ridiculous. And then I turned it off, and he lost the money. But you know what I did? You know what I did look at, all right? So he traded from his phone, but when he did his little thing on TradingView, he put his stop loss and then his take profit. So his stop loss, so he lost $36,000, right? And according to TradingView, I don't know if this is 100% accurate, but it said that it was minus 0.05%, which was $36,000. If that is the case, then his account size would have to be around $70 million. So I don't know if that was exactly what was going on. Oh my God! Aries. What the fuck? Thank you very much for the hand hearts. I really appreciate it. What the fuck? Thank you, thank you, thank you. Absolute king. Thank you, mate. I really appreciate it. That was nice. Oh my God, my ears, bro. What the fuck? No more. Holy shit. Aries, thank you very much for the hand hearts. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. What the fuck? That's a lot. Thank you. You're fucked. Let me catch up. Let me catch up. Stick to one mentor. Yes, I say that all the time. Stick to one, because you'll get confused as fuck. What's your thoughts on coins that are yet to be launched? I have no thoughts. It's all scams. I'm trying, but TGR doesn't explain much, so I've been looking for a new one. Someone said that to me. Who said that to me? Someone said that to me last night. Someone literally said that to me last night. I was talking to someone. Bro! 3 hand hearts? What the fuck? Okay, I'm aware. Jesus. What the fuck? Are you feeling okay? What's with the gifts? The fuck? Hold up. Let me come back. I need to catch up. Anyway, someone did say something about that with TJR last night. If you don't mind me asking, what's the most amount of money you made from trading? I don't say exactly how much it was, but it was on US dollar yen in 2023 on this intervention move here. But yeah, you should probably figure out why I don't say that shit. Is this better than gambling? Yes and no, right? If you don't know what you're doing, this is probably worse. Biggest trade profit, yeah, that's what it was. Daddy chill. Thank you very much for following me. I've watched day 1 and I was mad confused because everyone else was different. Yeah, jump, high risk to reward ratio maybe. I don't know. I'm guessing only work on your platform because TradingView doesn't have any. Yeah, I only do this. On MT4, I don't use TradingView. I haven't for like 4 years. No probs. Thank you very much, Aries. That's fucking crazy. Thank you. Did you choose red or green? I don't know what you mean by that. You're a typical person. Thank you very much for following me. What are the apps / websites you use to trade? I want to learn what apps to use. I use MetaTrader 4. My broker is Black Bull Markets. That's linked in my bio. If you're in Australia, it's the only broker you should be using. Hunter, thank you very much for following me. And the websites that I use Financial Juice for news, and I also use Forex Factory for news events too. This is a little bit more in detail, Financial Juice, but at least you get here, it's just easy, chuck it on, you see the exact time that it's happening, expected figures, previous figures, and the actual figures as well. So you get it on here too, but I just don't really I only like this section of Financial Juice. I don't look at, that just is annoying to me. So yeah, these are open all the time. Krishna. Thank you very much for following me. Yeah, be aware. I was aware. Bro, thank you so much for the gifts, man. This is a fucking fantastic start to the stream. And Bonza with the heart meat. Thank you very much. I think we actually have like some 3 times points thing happening right now. Hold up, let me go on TikTok. 2 times. I don't fucking know. There's something came up. So let me have a look at what's going on here. Bro, I just started it. I don't know if I get the double points, but I just started it. Like as that came through. Fuck, that hurt. 15 seconds. I don't know if I got it, but what the fuck? Thank you. Dude, that's so loud, bro. That is so loud. Okay, we got these double points, so I don't know what that means. It's TikTok Community Fest global fucking thing. I don't know. Bro, I don't really... I should probably pay attention to this stuff because TikTok will probably like me more. But yeah, whatever. 3 Alchemy! And Bonza. Wait. Okay, let me catch up. And then I'll go through the gifts. Fucking hell. Only bad thing, if I join your market, I'd have to wake up at 6 a.m. What do you mean? If you join my market? I don't trade specific market times. It's just all the time. Doesn't matter. Crazy. Holy shit. Hold up. Hey mate, I'm in New Zealand. What broker do you use through TradingView? I use MetaTrader 4, but I use a New Zealand based broker, which is Black Bull Markets. What's the best broker to use? Black Bull Markets. 100%. They just fucking, for Aussies, out of the league. Holy fuck. Okay, Aries 4 hand hearts. Bonza with the heart me. Bonza with 20 go populars. 3 alchemy center heart me. You're awesome. Ice cream cone. Love you so much. Community fest. Rose, tiny diny. And then Bonza says another fucking 15 go populars. What the fuck? These gifts, I'm telling you, they must be pumping the live. Because we're averaging more viewers now. Because maybe, I don't fucking know how this algorithm works. But yeah. Fuck yeah. Thank you guys. That's fucking awesome. Sweet, thanks, mate. No worries. All sweet. Yo, I think I deserve a massive slap on my wrist today. Why? What'd you do? Scott, thank you very much for following me. What'd you do, Mick? I'm in USA. What broker should I use? Fuck, someone said... Fuck, my nose is like... Awanda's like the safest bet, but you're limited to 1 to 50 leverage, I think. So you are restricted. What part of the US are you from? Because I'm thinking about popping over there soon. Are you in Australia? Yep. Brizzy. I think this is... Is that too dark? You live in Cali? That's where I want to go. What part? San Bernardino? Dallas? Mad? I think you were in here the other day and said that. 801 GJ entered short and the close of the 801 candle invalidates my trade completely. Oh, fuck. That sucks. Green screen or real? It's real. I get that a lot. I'll prove it. See? Green screen. Nah, I mean real. Ah, it's real. I live close? Mad. Bro, I don't know why, but ever since, so there used to be this YouTuber that I used to watch when I was real young. His name was BakerX Derek, and he was from San Bernardino. And I was like obsessed with San Bernardino. I was like, it looks so cool. But I probably wouldn't go there now. I'm in Central Cali. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go to LA. What state? Brisbane. Oh, Queensland, but I'm in Brisbane. Can you actually make a lot out of day trading? Yeah. Broker you recommend? Blackpool Markets. The link's in my bio. They're literally the best. For Aussies. What's the best way to figure out a strategy? Learn from someone else that's done all the hardship. What are you trading on? I know pay-per-view, but like what currency? Pay-per-view? No, this is, I don't know what pay-per-view is. This is MetaTrader 4. I'm in lots of trades right now. I'm in heaps. My Euro USD is annoying the fuck out of me. Been in this for fucking ages. Like almost 2 weeks. Oh well, sometimes this happens. I'm getting them for a couple of weeks, but that's life. It's alright. I'm not worried about it at all. I'm not in a lot of drawdown with it. I think I'm in like almost 2% drawdown, which doesn't really fucking matter. It's nothing. So we're chilling. But yeah, I'm in heaps of positions right now. You Aussie? Yeah, Brisbane. I got a question. Would it be smart to copy exact trades from people who claim they're experts? Absolutely fucking not, because the majority of them are not experts. And trust me, I know all the ins and outs with the copy trading stuff. I had a meeting with someone who provides the copy trade bullshit, and they're not experts. And these guys did the copy trading stuff for a lot of very high up influencers, and it's bullshit. So don't do that. You think I should use Robinhood since I'm first starting out? I've never used it, so I wouldn't have a fucking clue. You Aussie, yep. Explain where to place your stop loss because it's sticking my head in. I don't use stop losses, ever. Very rarely. Very, very, very rarely. Do you hold any for a while? Yeah. Yep. Got 0.8% trailing drawdown left. Man is doing the opposite of cooking. Yeah. It froze. Why? I didn't get to hear anything. What was your question? Sorry. Oh, my currency. I'm in a lot of pairs, and I'm on MetaTrader 4. Have you ever used AI to trade? No, I don't think so. I think I remember like I wanted to test it, and I asked, and then I was like, "The fuck is this?" So I just never did. What should a beginner start trading with? Nothing. If you're talking about money, you should be demo trading for as long as possible. But MetaTrader 4 or TradingView, and just open a demo account with a broker. Most experts are only there to sell you the courses. Yep. DM to collab or start a project. Yeah, probably not, because what it sounds like is your project is a rug pull, and I don't do that shit. Sorry. How many stocks do you follow? None. What you trading? Forex? I'm doing YouTube, made 10K yesterday at 15. Really? Good job. Stick with that then. Why would you go into something else? If you're already doing YouTube and you're doing it well, stick with that. There's no need for you to branch out just yet. Pair? This is US dollar yen. Okay, thank you so much. All good. Pete Tong and all one know is square. All I know is square? Welcome. Thank you very much for following. I almost blew my account. That's not good. Most of my viewer base on YouTube is Australians. Nice. What do you do? This is probably just a fucking... Not really. Well, just a burner account or some shit. Fuck, that's bright. What's your favorite pair to trade? I don't have one. No, YouTube account get monetized super quick and it gets annoying. Bro, my YouTube is not getting monetized at all. I'm not even fucking close. It's the hours, the watch time hours that are fucking... I just don't get. Everything else I've got, but that's good. We got 43 fucking people in here. I like that. Thank you, TikTok, for actually giving me some promotion for once. I might pop. Should I pop the flare? What do you guys reckon? Pop it? Should I pop the flare? Yes or no? I do shorts. Oh, okay. How long have you been trading? Almost 5 years. Probably 5 years now, yeah. I have 6 accounts and they're all shorts. Nice. Do I pop the flare? Do I do it? Do I do it? With 37 minutes in, I think I might wait a little bit. Because we're kind of cooking right now. Bro's capping. Me? Want to invest my money in trading, that's why. What's the capital gains like? Horrible. I want to move. I want to move. Don't buy. Okay. Do you make a lot? Yeah. No. None. I'm broke. Poor. I need money! Send me a rose. I need money. Don't actually. I don't want a rose. It's all good. Yeah, I'm chilling. Hong Kong and Dubai, the only countries that don't tax capital gains. I think there's a few. Oh my god, I think someone actually sent one. That's funny. I was joking. No, stop it. It's all good. It's all good. All I know is square. Thank you very much. Finally, I can pay my rent. I can pay my bills. How much do you make a month? I don't tell people. I don't talk about money. Still young, so got a lot of options. Yeah, I was thinking to buy, but that's a big commitment. There's some other places. I'm pretty sure Kuala Lumpur's pretty good. Obviously Puerto Rico, but I don't want to go that far away. That's fucking ages away. Either trading or real estate. I don't like real estate. But yeah, one of the two. What car do you drive? This is my old car. I got rid of it. It's a piece of shit. Just an old Volkswagen. Migsy, you're making me work hard to catch up with you today. Is Migsy popping off? She got a good break yesterday. She got a good break. Well deserved. Damn, 9K. 3 Alchemy, 8.7. Sienna, 3.3. All I know is Square, 481. Daddy Chill, 239. Sienna, 200. El Bicho, 183. Speedy, 125. X90. Fucking hell. That's crazy. Monthly income over or under 6 figures? No comment. Monthly under 6 figures. I can say that much. That's a lot, bro. 6 figures a month. Fucking hell. I said on TikTok waiting so I could start straight away. Not gonna lie. What if I was late? What if I was late? I was pretty on time today. I was pretty onto it. Because I had a little break. Fuck me. Discord was hectic today. Like, fucking, I had meetings, fucking talking to like 17 people at once. It was fucking crazy. And then I was like, nah, having a break for fucking 20 minutes before I jump on live. So I was here ready. What up, Sleepy? What ticker? This is US dollar yen. I'm from Puerto Rico and it's beautiful, brother. Go visit. Yeah, I wouldn't mind doing it. It's just far. It's just the distance. It's fucking ages away from Australia. That's cool though. Do you live in Puerto Rico? That's mad. I love when I hear people from like different countries coming in here and shit. It's actually fucking mad. I feel like thinking about money at a young age fucks up my mentality even though I'm making racks. Nah, you're good. 3 Alchemy. Look how many in the live. Good for you. Yeah, thank you. Well, we were doing these numbers like literally last week until I got suspended. We were actually doing way bigger than these numbers. And then, yeah, TikTok was like, get out of here. Sorry, goodbye. This is one thing that I didn't understand too. Birchop with the Heart Me and the Go Popular. The daily Heart Me and Go Popular. Thank you very much, Birchop. I appreciate that a lot. Fuck, what was I just saying? What was I just saying? Oh yeah, so I checked my stats, right? And my stats are usually like this the majority of the time. Is I'm in the 99th percentile of the live streamers with similar performance to me. So for everything, I'm in the 99th percentile of that. So I'm like above fucking pretty much everyone that has similar performance to me in terms of like gifts, followers, likes. The only thing that they don't give me is fucking viewers. It's like, how am I exceeding all of these fucking parameters, yet I'm not getting the viewers? It makes no fucking sense. Like, hello? But yeah, thank you, Sleepy. I appreciate that. How to get in, where the price is, when to get in a position. You need a strategy. Develop on your own, take one from someone else, which is probably better. But yeah. How to get in where the price is. I think that's what you're asking. What ticker? I answer that. Ghost FN. Thank you very much for following me. Bro, can I give you a scenario and hear you answer? Let's say you were working in a 9-to-5 low paid job. Would you leave the job when you reach 50 or 100K? Yeah. Use your mind. Okay, followed. Thank you very much for following me. Are the meeting free? No, it's for the mentorship guys only. Or business, like if I'm talking about business deals or some shit. But no, that's I wouldn't have time to do everyone's one-on-ones. So one-on-ones for the mentorship guys. I could possibly, if people don't want to join the mentorship, do one-on-ones, but I would have to charge for them, and I don't want to do that, to be honest. I don't like charging for the mentorship in the first place, so yeah. Why don't you use custom candle color? It really helps with your mental game. Mate, I've been doing this for years, and I've never given a shit whether it goes up or down. Usually both means money. I have heard of that and seen some shit about it, but it does not fucking mean shit to me. Do you trade NQ? I used to. I don't anymore. Too much time spent doing it. Fuck, we're getting lots of followers today. The Dot, El Bicho, Hondatuaka. Thank you guys very much for following me. How much money you start with? My original account size when I first put money in after 2 years of demo trading was 20K. I took your advice to just fuck off when entering a trade. Up 700! Let's go! Good job. Good job. First step to the psychological barriers. Good job. Great job, Dean. I've been to Darwin, Perth, was in the Marine Corps. Nice. I loved Australia, bro. I'd love to go again. Mad. That's awesome. That's fucking awesome. But you're right, super far, lol. Yeah, it is. I'm dreading going to LA. Dreading it. It's a big fucking flight. Follow this guy to get wrecked. Oh, we've got one. We've got one. Let's go. We've got one. We've caught one. Let's do it. Come on. Give me some more. Give me some more. I just joined your Discord. Is there a way I can set up a meeting or anything? You can message me. I talk to people on messages, but I don't do face-to-face. It takes too much time. And I can do them for the mentorship guys, but that's it, to be honest. I literally wouldn't have time to do it with everyone. How does STMX? I don't know. Is that a stock or some shit? I don't do stocks. 50 or 100K, which one would you leave? Would you even leave at a sooner number? 50 probably. Yeah, the spread, say prices at 50 when I jump in, I'm in the red at 47. What am I doing wrong? Nothing. You can't do anything about spread. You literally can't. The Dot, are they smiley faces or sad faces? Okay. I have $1 million account ready to buy your next shit coin. That's hilarious because I actually fucking hate crypto because it's a complete scam. You obviously have no idea what you're talking about or who you're talking to. You just wanted to come in and talk some shit. Bro, he never promoted coin. Yeah. I literally, somebody came in that was a crypto person and was like, DM me so we can work on a next project or some shit. And I was like, nah, I'm good. I don't do that shit. It's a scam. Oh, that's funny. Trading NQ on the New York Open messes with your sleep for sure when you're in Australia. I go to bed at 6 a.m. every day. So, yeah. But yeah, I used to trade New York Open. And I'd be, some days I'd have to be up, you know, I'd be up till 8 a.m. and it'd be like, fucking staring at a trade that I'm stuck in. It was horrible. At least come up with something better, yeah. You're not gonna like LA unless you live in like Beverly Hills or something, trust me. Yeah, I just want to visit. I want to do like a drive to do like the Grand Canyon and Vegas and shit. Hire a car and fucking speed through drive the speed limit through the fucking, I don't even know, the desert. It'd be cool. Maybe a gotcha question. Yeah, fuck. Thank you. All good. Bro said crypto is a scam while trading Forex. Okay. If crypto is a scam, when do they pull the rug? All the time. Can't do nothing about spread. That's why it's important to be patient. Yeah. And if you're scalping, spread plays a big part. If you're swing trading, it doesn't really matter. My arms are tired now. Bro, you guys don't need to do that. Fuck, 10K. You just beat Meegsy. Both at 10K. That's fucking insane. Thank you guys so much. Fucking hell. I do really appreciate it. Red flag, bro. I think you missed my last question. I didn't. I wouldn't leave it a sooner number. Probably not. Maybe, depending on the scenario, what my overheads are like. But 50K is fine. I just want to get the fuck out, to be honest. Because it is low, you're just unprofitable. Major cryptos aren't a scam, but the shit coins are a scam 100%. Yeah, well, that's what I was talking about. The big ones aren't particularly, I mean, they have some uses, but yeah. 3 Alchemy, gonna give it to you, have to feed the dogs. What? It's always unprofitable people who saying that shit right away. Futures over Scamex. All right. If I give you $5 worth of TikTok gifts, can you invest in it for me? What do you want me to do? Put $5 of gifts in something? What? Because Forex is much better than crypto. Yeah. How long for me to learn and be decent at it? Depends on, I mean, you could ask 2 people to learn a language. One's going to take 4 years, one's going to take 2 years. Just depends on who you are. No, it's not lol, you're just unprofitable. Thoughts on GU? Good meme coin, can't wait to rock GU. Yeah. Yeah, obviously, he's obviously never been in here, otherwise he'd know what I'm about, but whatever. Like, what? Prop firm warrior? What the fuck? Yes! Guys! Oh my god. I'll be back once they finish eating. All good. We can have a look at GU in a second. Let me just catch up. What session do you trade? I trade all sessions. It doesn't matter. I'm more swing, so the session doesn't particularly matter. What pair? I trade 18 different pairs. Oh no. Yeah, 18 different pairs, yeah. Sorry, I was fucking doing something with someone else earlier where they were doing 16. Sorry, but prop firm takes skill. Bro, if I was one of these boomers, at least I would have watched the live for 2 minutes. Yeah, I know. What are your favorite time frames to look at when you trade? I focus on the 1 hour for high time frame bias and then 5 minute for my entries. I will jump over to the 4 hour sometimes for a bit of a bigger picture, but my trades are based off of 1 hour high time frame, 5 minute lower time frame entries. You trade the ASX? Nah, never have. Is day trading easy and worth it? No, it's not easy. Worth it? Yes. Lol, what is $5 gonna get? It doesn't even get a meal from McDonald's. Yeah. Flexity, I'm sure he's got a girl. You don't have to write him also. Yeah, okay. Well, they're just, I think what they want to do is, wait, is that even the guy that was, who was the guy talking shit? Was it not that guy? Oh no, it was this guy. Who's this guy then? Wait, what? Yeah. Like, mate, I'm happy for people to come in here and challenge me and do constructive criticism or whatever, but I say this a lot, if you take away too much, I'm just gonna get rid of you. I don't care. How many trades are you in and how much did you put in? I don't know how many I'm in. I'd have to check. General time frame. I think I just answered that. John, thank you very much for following me. It's funny when meme coin traders are trying to talk about trading. Yeah, I know. Braz, what up, Vendetta? What website do you use? I don't use a website. I use a application called MetaTrader 4. What? Wait, why are you following me? If you... I don't understand that. Why talk shit and then come in and follow me? I don't understand. I don't understand. Is it for you to come and just talk more shit? It's weird. Do pairs move differently? Absolutely, yes. Don't take financial advice from a man wearing a Nike hoodie. What else would... What the... Bro, I actually can't even. I'm trying to start New York sessions, but That's like midnight in Queensland. Yeah, I know, it's rough. I'd probably steer clear. You're funny. Yeah. Prop firm warrior, more like how to scam other people. Yeah, bro. Joined my Telegram for 1% of the entire US dollar index before the run. 101% win rate. That's funny. Yeah, so you deposit using cash or is it crypto? It depends. I wouldn't trust a guy who wears Louis Vuitton. Yeah, neither would I. What's your favorite pair to trade? I don't have a favorite. What courses is he selling? Can you explain your strat real quick? Yeah, so I use like a version of dollar cost averaging, mean reversion, and martingale, right? So we wait for an extension on the market. I've developed a bot to get me in and out of my trade. So it automates about 80%, 70 to 80% of my trading. So it'll get in on a large extension, waiting for an inevitable pullback. If it continues to go down, it'll detect that at a certain period based on an indicator that I use that not many people use. If it continues to go down, that's all right. We scale into our positions at a 1.3x multiplier, which brings our break even down, and I only enter at about 0.25% of my account. 0.1% if the market's a little bit crazy, 0.25% mostly for my initial entry, and then we scale in at 1.3x multiplier, right? So that brings our break even down to wait for the inevitable pullback. Mean reversion is a great strategy for Forex, as currencies do tend to revert back to their mean pretty much all the time. And if not, there has to be a pullback at some time, right? So banks and institutions selling like crazy. What happens when they need to fucking take profit? They have to turn into buyers, which pushes the market back up, which attracts more buyers, more people taking profit from this swing. That's why you get big retracements. Almost always happens. But we drop the risk all the way down so we don't have to use a stop loss and we can scale in at very small increments. And that's why we trade multiple different pairs. What's the chat like? Are we fucking... Is it still toxic as fuck? Fuck, are you serious again? Trying to pop a flare, but I can't. I'm on Discord. Yeah, Discord's linked to my bio. Sorry, fuck. Oh my god, he asks a lot of times. Okay, I'm gonna scan through these real quick. My prop firm warrior. At least Tom is not pretending, even if he is a scammer. Just respect him for this. Yeah, I don't give a... Bro, I'm the most I don't give a fuck what people think. I just say it how it is person ever. Fair play. Cybertruck and Maddex Kagler, thank you very much for following me. Can I have $1? Hold $1. Because these are trolls. Yeah, haven't checked your Discord yet, but does the video have like what websites to use? Yeah, yep. What do they have against Nike? I don't fucking know. It's like one of the biggest fucking clothing brands in the entire world, if not the biggest. Probably the biggest shoe company in the world. Like, I don't fucking know. So random. Jeez. What do you think about XRP? I don't really have any thoughts. How long do you trade for on average? 5 to 8 hours? Nah, probably 1 to 3. Newsflash, Tom scammed me and sold me a course of 10K on 50% off. Yeah. Are you on Discord? Yep. Discord's linked to my bio. And what are he's joking. Sleepy's joking. He's fucking kidding. He's just taking the piss. Lambo followed. Thank you very much. Damn, that's a great deal. How can people believe this shit? I don't know, man. When it's NFP week, do you risk less once the market is more volatile? No, because I look at the bigger picture. Doesn't particularly matter for me, NFP. If anything, NFP, the high volatility is really good because it can get me in a lot of positions. Tom didn't ship me the Lambo he promised me in his course once I learned what a doji is. That's funny as fuck. That's actually so funny. Tom never forces. Yeah, no, I don't give a shit. Where can I learn this? My Discord. I have a mentorship as well. He always answers to all questions. Literally, I'm going back through everything to answer. Lots of respect for him. Thank you, Sleepy. Yes, link in his bio. Thank you. You got a full video on this somewhere? I have the full video breakdown of my strategy and everything in my mentorship, but I have like a basic beginner's course on my YouTube, which just go onto my Discord because then you can message me and talk to me too. Thank you guys. You trade all over the world? No. He also took my Lamborghini too in this course. Paradise. Thank you very much for following me. I get it, rage baiting. Yeah. Nah, Sleepy's cool. Sleepy's cool. Sleepy's been here forever. He's just having a laugh. Made 78% on my shorts. What the fuck? Good job. What's your longest trade, Tom? It's probably about 3 months. Can you scare me too? Oh, we're down at the bottom. Awesome. Scotty, Jason, and Wilkers. Thank you guys very much for following me. I appreciate that. Marie, thank you very much for following me. Bro, the course said give them your social security pin. Yeah, really did. Joe Hands, what pair this is? Pound US dollar, actually. So did someone ask for pound US dollar? Apple user, I think you did. Someone did. Or was it Aussie dollar US? I can't remember. I think it was you, Apple user. Just to clear the air, I was joking about scamming. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know. If they figured it out. Robert Rivero. Thank you very much for following me. Tom, how many subscribers are you away from monetization? I got the subscribers, it's the watch hours. I think I have 400 watch hours. I don't even know. Let me have a look. Oh, I can't. I'm on a different YouTube account. That one's got premium, so I use that one. I think I've got about 440 hours of watch time on my YouTube, which is fuck all, but I need like 3,000, I think. Damn, I thought you were serious. All right. I hope actually people didn't think he was serious. That's why our viewers disappeared. Sleepy. Oh my god, who was that? Aries! Again, what the fuck? Bro. Oh god. I'm awake now. Jesus Christ. Thank you very much for the hand hearts. Bro, that was so loud. Good morning. Thank you very much. Jesus Christ. You should have said, I don't know, you guys were probably here when it was, you only needed to do one coin for that, and it was just, like every fucking 2 seconds. It was actually ridiculous. Malcolm, thank you very much for following me. Bro, it was so bad. It was so bad. And then I was like, okay, I'll change it to 10. And then it was just spamming 10 fucking coin gifts. I was like, I can't do this, man. Like, this is blowing, I'm gonna be deaf in a day. So, yeah. Thank you, though. Thank you. Nah, that's my meme coin. GU, yeah. Damn, no, I thought you were serious. Yo, if you include ads and the watch hours increases a lot. Trust me, I do rain videos. Can you even put ads in a non-monetized video? I was telling the truth about the 10K. God, shut up. I said be prepared. Yeah, fucking hell. Yeah, I figured. What's better, bullish or bearish to follow? I don't think it matters. That scared the shit out of me, Loki. Damn, what was that horror scream? Yeah, it's when I get 100 coins or more, you get to scare the shit out of everyone. Good morning, both. Guys, let me tell you something. All of those Lambos cost a hefty price, Mr. Tom, my loyal contact. soon. All right, my lawyer will contact you. Headphone user warning, damn. Yeah, dude, so loud. Bro, Diogo Costa died in a car crash. I don't know who that is. Is that a bad thing that I don't know who that is? It's a footy player. I don't watch football, but rip. That sucks. Tom doesn't force you to be in the Discord to answer your questions. You can ask anything. Literally, yeah. Literally. You don't have to fucking do anything. Like, you can... Like, even in a free Discord, it's just fucking come in, just chat. It might take me a while because I prioritize the mentorship guys first, and then I do the free guys next. Mod that Aries guy. He deserves it. How are you not a mod? I thought you were. As long as you don't take the piss, you know. There you go. So far I haven't seen him talk garbage about anything I asked so far. Thank you. Thank you. Futures? Nah, CFDs. I only do CFDs. Yes, it will give you the option when the scream of putting the title up shows up. I don't know what you're talking about, but unfortunately I understand the industry is cooked because of scammers. That's why I don't get too like when people come in here and you know, talk some shit, have something to say, it's like, I understand that. I really understand that because it is a terrible fucking industry. Oh, thank you, Aries. Tom is a great guy. I've known him since day one. He's genuinely happy to help everyone and don't bullshit. Bro, thank you so much. I do really appreciate that. That's like my favorite thing is when, you know, people send messages like that. Like, thank you very much. Thank you. That's super nice. And I try. Which I feel like if I didn't, I'd probably get a lot more people come in here and talk shit. I actually don't get that many anymore. When I first started, it was fucked. Tom, let me be your lawyer. How good are you? Yeah, that's true. Mine's pretty good. Everyone just be careful out there, 100%. What do you think about buying coins that are yet to be launched? I don't know. Can you even do that? Tom, let me view. Oh, God. Aries. Fuck. Alright, that's actually fucked, for starters. Bro, thank you so much, man. Thank you so fucking much. We up. We're doing good. I'm feeling good today. We got good viewers. Everything's good. I've been working like super hard this week and I feel like super good. We're good. I'm going to cut you off because you're sending too much. You're sending too much shit. So, ow! You're cut off for today. Thank you very much, Aries. The scare is not fun for me. I feel like I'm going deaf in my ear. What day trade website to use? I use the platform MetaTrader 4. Oh, God. Fuck. Dude, that one scared me. Oh. Bro. Enough! Fuck. God damn it. Jesus Christ. That scared the shit out of me. Thank you for all the gifts. That's literally almost a galaxy that you've sent. Like, what the fuck? Insane. Let me catch up. How do you know when to cash out? Like, take profit. I've set parameters, or I'll preset parameters, and I'll look at fundamentals and stuff. Genuinely, how do I split sessions? I've always gone off baby pips FX hours, but changeovers between. Split sessions. I don't know what splitting sessions is. I don't know what you're talking about. When you upload your video and it gives you the option to put your title for the video, just scroll down and will. Okay, cool. Asian in London has like a few hours between. Oh, I've never traded Asia session before, ever. I've only traded London Open, so. Did I know that? I probably did years and years and years ago. It would have been in the baby pips course, I betcha. This week, not a good idea to trade because of news. It's a great idea. We up, chat. Fuck yeah. Super risky? What's super risky? How long did it take until you started making money? Did you need to lose some to gain? It took me 2 years till I put money in, and then I was profitable from there. We were up after the first one, yeah. I'm addicted to the scare. Might need to be 1K. Bro, it's so loud. So loud. Scares the shit out of me. Thank you for all of them. No more. Cut off. Tom, I can't wait to quit my low-paid job, man, but every day I go to work, I just tell myself I'm closer. That's great mentality to have, yeah. Just keep it up. This feeling just doesn't let me to give up. Good. Good. User 183, thank you very much for following me. Do YouTube, my friend. First 90 days made 10 to 12. Really? Fucking hell. Harrison, thank you very much for following. Good for you, man. Keep it up. London opens at 8 a.m. GMT, so I'd say the pre-market is 7 a.m. till 8 a.m. Yeah. I guess, yeah. I'll definitely look into it. Can we pop our flare yet? If someone has no idea to do trading but wants to try, what's the best option? Go onto my Discord, and then there's a free course section in the Discord. I'll show you. Free course section. Go watch this. Complete beginner's guide. And be careful about who you listen to on the internet. Be very careful. We got 2 people so far. It's not showing. How many people do we actually have? I don't think this is updating properly because it said 393 for ages. Holy fuck, I have a lot of notifications. Megsy, do you want me to answer this now or after? I haven't read the whole thing, but I can read it and answer it now if you want. 395. Fuck, we're back to 395. I keep having to remove sus accounts. Fucking, bro, my phone is going off. F it, I'll just go. Bro. Do it. Just do it. Keep going. Don't stop. If you do, I reckon you do AI. What's your strategy and preferred time frame? I use a version of dollar cost averaging, mean reversion, hybrid martingale, and my preferred time frame is 5 minutes for entries, 1 hour for high time frame. Wait a week. YouTube doesn't think you're a bot. Thanks. All good. Can be after, not bothered. Okay. Okay. I'm just gonna have to. Wait. Can you just send me one more message? just send, I don't even care what it is. It can be just the one letter. Just send me one more and I'm not going to open it. So when I look at my, after the live, because I don't know how long this live's going to go for. Do we have a new mentorship member? No, he joined the free. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. Thank you. When did you start to think I can make it out of the 9 to 5? Depends. It depends on so many different factors. So many different factors. Your overheads, what country you live in, how much money you actually need to break out of that sort of thing. It's very, yeah, that's a hard question to answer. Or when did I? What screeners, indicators do you rely on and why? A lot. I gatekeep a lot of my indicators. Chill. Why am I chilling? Adrian, thank you very much for following. Yo, can I share you a TikTok I think describes the trading community perfectly? Absolutely, yeah. Tom, what time is it for you so I can post? 8 o'clock, 8 p.m. What time do you typically trade? It doesn't matter. I'm more day to swing, so yeah. Legit, this ladder's broke. Yeah, bro. Please, 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 please send me gifts on TikTok, please. Please, please, please. Alright, thanks, but I'll post on YouTube. All sweet. Wait, how am I not following? I thought you were. Or $49 a month. What's $49 a month? I don't know what that is. What's that? Please explain. Boys, we got a live one. I'm pretty sure he's been in here before. I'm like almost 100% certain this guy's been in here before. $49.95 a month. I don't know what that is. It's for your scabs. $47 a month. There you go. There you go. Scab subscription. Left you live for 2 seconds and already got followed by 8 bot accounts. Yeah, sorry about that. Here we go again. Yeah, I know, bro. Come dance then, champ. Sure. Bro's like wanting to punch on because you're upset. Oh, I love this. Keep it coming. Come on. Come on. I've shared it. I was crying for a min at it. Does it have copyright music? Bro, you should see his dance moves. Yeah, you should. I boogie. I fucking boogie. At least ask a question or something. If you didn't answer, then say stuff like this. Oh, bro, it's just... I don't think Sleepy was here for the orange man, but if you were, Sienna with 17 fucking roses again. Sienna, thank you very much. I appreciate that. You're helping me pay the bills because I'm apparently extremely broke. Thank you very much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Welcome back. No more, please. Please, no more. Yeah, the orange man. Literally, that was a prime example of the people who are in these comment sections talking shit. Complete delusional weirdos.
I approached a girl for the first time.
Sienna, what the fuck? Thank you very much for 18 more roses. Jesus. Alright, give me 1 second. And I'll look at it. Best way to get into this with just an iPhone. Extremely difficult. Minimum laptop. My recommendation. AMD to the moon. Just, what's your opinion on SPX? No idea. I don't trade it anymore. All good, no music. VQ, thank you very much for following me. Best way to get into trading. Oh yeah, just, do you have any SPX? No. No. I used to trade it, but I canned it ages ago actually, because the S&P 500 and the NASDAQ move almost identically. So, actually, there's a bit. You look on the 1 hour, it's almost identical. So, yeah, I just got rid of it. Do you work for free? Wait, what? Hold up, let me watch this.
All you really need is fair value gap and liquidity per an hour time frame. Become profitable. I've 2 out of 4 spots for mentorship open. On 1 hour time frame, and then you simply wipe away the struct. If you want to become profitable in 4 weeks, you just have to short market open. If you lost today in the morning because you took long, it's because you don't know how to trade, and you need to understand concept CISD. This is how I made $4 million. Today I am my top step count 50.
All my friends have Lamborghinis and Ferraris.
Literally, Jesus. That was very true. I've got a laptop. Any recommendations for an absolute beginner? Yeah, join my Discord. Discord's linked to my bio, and watch the beginners video. Training for beginners video. Bro, you either like it or no. Nobody works for free. Like, I don't get it how people's brains work. Yeah, I know. Well, at the same time, like, I don't blame a lot of people, because, like, the fact that I have that group, right? Is basically what everyone else does that is a scammer. So, like, I don't really blame people for being speculative. It's just, you know, it's hard to find someone that's not full of shit. There's a new SPX 6900. Do you work for free? Apparently life is free. Yeah. Kevin Bell followed. Thank you very much. Listen, I'm sure Tom knows too. I haven't paid anything to Tom, but he always answers my question. Yeah, literally. What is the app platform to use? MetaTrader 4. I have laptop website recommendations for beginners. All right, I just said that. Is it there? She's joking. Absolutely not. Guess I'm just brain rotted beyond belief. Why? That was funny. Unemployment at all-time high. Yeah. Thank you. I'll go watch it now. All good. How much rupees you made this week? Fuck. 10%? 10% of what? This boy said rupees. Yeah, what the fuck? That's funny. That's a wee laughy, lad. That's a wee laughy, laddie. You know, Tom, I think I'm a great example of someone talk shit about you. Did you? I think I'm a great example if someone talks shit. Oh, right, if. I thought you said of someone talked shit about you. There's been a few people that have actually come in here originally talking shit, and I've spoken to them and fucking, you know, been like, this is how it is. I'm not one of these fucking guys. And they'll be like, oh, that's like mad respect. Cool. And then fucking followed me and spoken to me and joined the Discord and all of that shit. What charts are you watching at the moment? All of them. This is Euro USD. 0.8% left on my drawdown. Thoughts on full porting red folders. Not recommended. Are my comments blocked right now? No. It's just sometimes TikTok automatically filters shit out. Mine is like completely filter free, but they do it anyway. Like they'll filter them anyway. So hide potential spam or offensive comments is off. There's no keyword filters or anything. It's just sometimes TikTok will remove it automatically. If you guys notice when these bums come to his live, he always reads their comments and answers their question. Of course, because I don't care. I got nothing to hide. Falcon, thank you very much for following me. Are you in Oz and hidden? And hidden. I'm in Australia. I'm in Brisbane. Hidden. I don't know what that is. Bro, my controller's through my wall. What happened? How many people answer their haters' comments? Yeah, not many. Literally not many. I just have really thick skin. I don't really give a shit. Like, if people let... But, like, there are some people that let haters get to them really bad. Like, really bad. I'm just not like that. I don't give a fuck. I literally had one on the fucking stream. And he looked like an idiot. Casino, casino, casino. I haven't gambled in like a year. Red folder, flip a coin, and not long or short. Jesus. Fair enough. Do you think gold is going up or keep going down? Oh, I mean, long term it'll go up. Short term, I don't know. Is it down? I mean, it's kind of in the middle of a range at the moment. I'd say it's kind of the range, or if you really wanted to. Yeah, I don't know. I don't trade gold, so talking to the wrong guy about that. Crash out on Call of Duty? Fucking hell. Jesus. You okay? If it doesn't hit 800 R, I'm suing. PMG buy it. I don't know what that is. LLL, thank you for following me. And Billiam, thank you very much for following me. What you suggest putting into right now? No idea. Tom, get off my For You page. Do I know you? Oh, it's Emma. Hi, Emma. Yuck. Then skyrocket. What? Then skyrocket? What are you talking about? How do I get started? Go to my Discord. Discord's linked to my bio. And then watch the 1 hour beginner's video. King, don't look at How to start. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. I miss your girlfriend more than you, by the way. I don't believe that for a second. Right, I have an idea. You pick left or right, and I'll be long or short. Right. Exactly how to start. Have a good one, Tom. I have to go, but I'll catch you later, mate. See you later, Sleepy. Thank you very much for tuning in, talking some shit, getting it going. Have a fantastic evening. Talk to you later. One time, I made a hole so deep in my neighbors, I could see me. What the fuck? Gold. All right, yeah. One time, wait. Do you break down your strat? Sometimes, yeah. Was here yesterday. Don't know if you remember me, but came by to say good luck. Hope you make bank. Yeah, I remember. Thank you. Rip Diogo. Yeah, I saw that. Whatever. Somebody else said that. I don't watch that shit, so. Fair value gap plus liquidity. I don't trade like that. Why aren't you drinking flying power? I have a flying power in there, but I couldn't be fucked to go to Aldi today. So I got this because I wanted my flying power in the morning because they're so much better. So I just finished this. Ew. Yuck. And then I bought this too. Ew, yuck. But I have a small flying power and a big flying power that I'm going to have in the morning tomorrow. Sorry. Guru. You need a little bit of humor. Brother, I got all the humor in the world. What are you talking about? Long is it now? What pair are we gambling? Jesus, I don't know. Euro. Oh, sorry. US dollar cross South African rand. Benny, thank you for following me. Use fair value apps. Yeah, for targeting exits sometimes. Do you have videos on your trading strategy? No, that's for the mentorship guys. I'll get you a box of flying power just because you support Aldi King. Emma, if you do that, please. Invest now. Guru. What the fuck is even happening? I cleaned the shelf at the Aldi the other day. You got me hooked. Good. How do you know when to buy or sell? Specific indicators and shit. Use a trading bot so it does it automatically. Load it up on DJT. Okay. I gotta go see you. See you later. Thanks for tuning in. Japan on Forex just keeps going down. Probably Austin Graham. Thank you very much for following. Oh, I like the look of this chart. What is it? I don't even fucking have it. Yeah, it's cooked. Actually, I got a better one. US dollar, Norwegian krone. Yes! There we fucking go. There we go. Yes, on the 1 minute, the Norwegian krone. Fuck yeah. Which flavor, the new white ones or 4 packs, champ? Emma, whatever you wanna, you know. I do like the white ones. They're pretty fucking good. The white one's pretty good. You don't have to. I was kidding. It's all good. You don't have to. Wait, is that even like here? You don't have to. But the white ones are my favorite. Just saying, they're my favorite. Do you trust the trading bot? Absolutely. I developed it. Make a sell. How much money have you gained currently? About 3 million. Like today. Champ, I work there. Fake fan, it's free. What do you mean fake fan, it's free? What? You call me champ? Champ, I worked there. Yeah, I know. Fake fan. What do you mean fake fan? Well, I don't understand that. Bricky. What the fuck happened to everyone? I swear every time, Emma, you start talking, everyone just runs away. They're like, nah. Happened last time, although you were spamming the ever-living fuck out of the chat. How long have you been doing this? Almost 5 years. Sorry, I'm going now. That's all good. What does that mean? Fake fan, it's free. Bye queen. Free flying power. Yeah, the fake fan part. What does fake fan mean? This is what happens next time I see you. All shorting for now. Okay. What site you use? Oh, I use MetaTrader 4, which is an application. Stop yelling. What the fucking answer the question? What tips do you have for beginners? Don't listen to all the bullshit you see online. Focus on process. The profits will come later. And use a demo account for as long as possible. Bye, Queen. All right. Don't call me Queen, but goodbye, Emma. I'll see you next time. See you on the weekend. Tate, thank you very much for following me. Literally every time she talks, people just run away. Lana's in here too. What's with everyone that I know fucking coming in here? Hello, Lana. How are you? Tay, thank you very much for following me. I don't know if I said that. 400 pips in 25 minutes. Easy cooking. I'm ready to liquidate my prop firm 1 pip stop. That's funny. Do you use TradingView and then MetaTrader 4? I'm waiting on my application right now to be approved. I don't use TradingView at all, no. Tom, bye queen. The fuck? All right, see you, Lana. Welcome, goodbye. Not quite 800, but we'll take the 400. What app do you use to trade? MetaTrader 4. Z, thank you very much for following me. I need us to be at 55,000 likes by the time I get back. I'm taking a piss. 55,000 likes. I'm taking a piss. Okay, and keep commenting. I want a bunch of shit to come back to when I come back. Fake fans. You're all fake fans. Fake community. Sorry, but what do you mean by pips? It's just a measurement. Okay, I'm hoping to start up trading in a couple of hours. Mad? Are you in the Discord? If you're not, you need to get in there. Oh, we're crawling up. God, we're so close to 400. So close. So close. No problem. I'm trying to get into trading, fully watching people strats and implementing my own. Nice, nice. Can I borrow 7K with the promise to return you 10K? Nah, I'm good. I'm joining your Discord right now. Be right back. Mad. I'm not. I want to see how I go and make connections. All good. You do your thing. Do you day trade? Yeah, day to swing. Brookie, thank you very much for following me. Meeksy, what have we got? 15K. That's so many. You can stop. Nobody's beating ya. Holy shit. 15K by Meeksy. 3 Alchemy 10K. El Bicho 5K. Sienna 3.3. Kevin 1.3. All I know is Square 1.1. Robert 700. Bonneville 600. And Daddy Chill 239. Fucking hell. Thank you guys. Thank you. We did pretty well today in terms of viewership and everything. So thank you. Thank you. I'm currently up 3K for the week. Nice. Good job. Why do you need 7K then? Got to make sure. Yeah, I think you're safe for the rest of the live. I don't know how long I'm going to be on here for. What stock do you think is going to do well today? I have no idea. I don't trade stocks. I need more to invest in SONN. I don't even know what that is. Do you have to pay for the website? No. Can you live comfortably by day trading? I can. A lot of people can't because they listen to fucking fake online gurus and join signal service fucking groups that don't work, and then they blow all their money and then give up. Amazon stock is okay at the moment. Try it out. What website is this? This is MetaTrader 4. It's an application. Yep, that's why 99% fail, aka give up. Yeah, absolutely. Hello, Apple user. It's because they try and do it the really quick way, and then they lose all their money, and then they fucking end up in the hole. Son is a penny stock that I've 4K shorted in when the market opens. How much would be a healthy amount to start with? A couple of grand. Trying to start with $100. Oh, okay. Yeah, 100 is... I wouldn't recommend. I'll make like 6.5K. How do you know you're going to make money on a stock? $100 is probably not... I wouldn't recommend that. I'd focus on education whilst building enough capital that you can put in the market where you'll actually make a decent amount of money. Fuck, I'm shadow banned on some comments. I don't know. I got no idea. I showed before there's no restrictions for any comments. So it's either your account or what you're commenting is too cooked. Fart coin load up. Yeah, probably not. Yeah, penny stocks, you never know, man. Yeah, well, I understand that, but how do you know that you're going to make money? That's why I'm wrapping my head around it, then expanding out to Discord, just waiting on Forex. Okay. I'm just confident in it. I can see where it is pre-open, and I'm making money as of now. Okay. Fair enough. Spanish 35. The index fund? Swear. Fuck. Yes, sir, bro. Good stuff. Best feeling, 3 more hours. What do you trade as an Australian? Forex, currencies, CFDs? Right, so TikTok doesn't like the future ES. Oh, 35. Oh, maybe it does. Up 30 cents for the day. It's something. Trying to get into the trading, but every video I watch doesn't really start from the beginning. My Trading for Beginners course is from the beginning. So if you go onto my Discord's linked to my bio, there's literally a free course tab where it starts from the beginning. It's the bare minimum basics. Thank God, first thing, VPN is what you need. I use Lord VPN. Why do you need a VPN? My broker has a spread of 530 on the Spanish. No stops inside, Jesus. Z, thank you very much for following. Thank you, I'll check it out, all good. Guys, if you are trying to get in the Discord as well, when you click the link in my bio, open it in an external browser. So, obviously click the 3 dots at the top right, and then it'll open in an external browser, and then, yeah, that'll work, because TikTok's fucking weird with it. Man, know your bias? On what? Because I'm Australian, my broker is completely different. True. What broker do you use? Well, the Chinese index is 920, the more the better, right? Closer to TV. That doesn't even make any sense. Gotta be like a bakery after the restaurant. Do you use the support and resistance method? I use support and resistance in my trading, yes. But I don't base entries off of support and resistance. Unless I'm going aggressive. But support and resistance is a fantastic method of trading. A lot on its own, I wouldn't do it. $54K likes. We'll get that. I'm pretty sure we did that just then. 2 subscribers, we won't do that. And then, unless someone in here is going to subscribe, I don't even know what the subscription gets you. Do you guys know what the subscriptions do? I have absolutely fucking no clue. 100K likes, we won't get that today. Lone Wolf sent a heart me, thank you very much. Do you guys have any idea what the fucking subscriptions do? Three days. I'm not gonna even fucking use them. What the fuck? There's no way I can... Okay, yeah. Thoughts on the solar system strat? Yeah, that's a bit weird. Started with 7K 9 months ago, sitting at 173,000. Day trading is where it's at. I'd believe that when I see it. That's fucking insane. How you doing? What up, Lone Wolf? I'm good. How are you? Thank you very much for the heart, me. I appreciate it. Rip Diego, yeah. How can I start? I want to start, but I have no clue how to. Go into my Discord. Discord's linked to my bio. There's a free 1 hour beginner's guide. Go watch it. We get a free month on the... Yes, yeah. That's funny. That's funny. Damn, we really dropped on fucking viewers, eh? Let's have a look at my New Zealand dollar US dollar, see how it's going. Euro USD sucks. What else are we looking at? US dollar CAD, single entry. Got in yesterday and we've been flip-flopping around for fucking bouncing off of here, which is Wednesday's low. Flip-flopping around. We'll just have to wait for some fundamentals probably. I'll probably be in that one till next week, which is okay. Not in that. Not in that. Not in that. New Zealand dollar CAD, pretty much the same thing. Oh, this is what I was talking about. Literally the same thing. It's not doing fucking anything. Whatever. Nope. That was a nice in and out on pound US dollar. Absolutely fantastic. With our drive down in the market, we got in, nice entry on a reversal. Popped back down, came straight back up, and then probably got out of TP here. I've already done 2% this week, which I'll take. That was a nice, lovely little exit. Almost the exact same for pound New Zealand dollar, not completely, but we had a large extension down on NFP. Came back up, crashed back down. Came back up, TP, doing dosh dollar. There we go, pound Swiss. Exact same. Boom, down, entry, reversal. Straight back up. I probably got out of that there. Cash dollars. Easy, easy, easy. Pound CAD, almost got it. Obviously, straight down off NFP. Bit of a reversal. Got in my entry. Flip-flopped around. Came back up. Didn't quite get... We tapped into this gap here on the 5 minute, which doesn't really mean anything, but might pop back up again. Take out our TP. We are just in profit at the moment. Pretty much break even. Pound odd. I'm not even going to go through it. Exact same thing. Entry. We're in profit at the moment, but about halfway to our TP. Not worth taking it off. I'd rather just wait. Even if NFP tonight goes the opposite direction. It is tonight, right? Yeah. Goes the opposite direction. I don't give a shit. I'll just get in more entries. Euro US dollar. We've already done that. Euro New Zealand. Fantastic. Push up. Entry. Drop down. TP. Done. Easy. Simple as that. Euro yen, euro pound. We had multiple entries on this. Entries for fucking ever. There's 3 there, but we actually had quite a few more. But coming down here, out. Dollar bills. Euro Swiss, no. Euro CAD, we are stuck in. So I'm going to show me my break even because I've been in this for a while. I had to restart the VPS, but got in here. 1, 2, 3. Oh, 3 was probably up here. 3. And then we're just flip-flopping around. One more entry up there would have been nice, but we just didn't have enough movement to get a 4th entry because we'd probably be in profit and out of this by now. Our break even's probably around about here. It would have pushed up. We probably wouldn't have got out of that. That's fine. But yeah, I mean, that one's pretty standard. I wouldn't mind getting another fucking extension off of that. Matt, thank you very much for following me. And then a 4th entry would be nice. Am I in Aussie pairs? I don't know. I don't think I am. Aussie New Zealand dollar, I got that last night too. Didn't quite get the exit I needed. Push back up. This will get in another entry pretty soon. And we'll just wait for the pullback. Come out. Take it out. Get some profit on that one. I'm pretty sure, yeah, I'm in Aussie dollar, US dollar. I've been in that for a while. Yeah, I've been in this for a couple of days. 3 entries. It's probably here. Boom. 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 This was the one that I could have taken profit off here, but I did not. Kept it running. I didn't want to take early, so we got another one. We just need to push back down here. Well within last week's low. We're kind of bouncing, popping off of last week's high. We had a false breakout and we're just bouncing off of last week's high. So we'll need something to drive that back down. And then Aussie dollar CAD. We're in 2 positions, which is okay. We have an NFP tonight, so we'll see. We'll just have to see. My entry there. The next one would have been probably here. That would have been nice. I'm surprised we didn't get in a 3rd one, to be honest, but that would have been fantastic because we'd be out with profit on that. But it might have just been just too much of an extension to get in a 3rd time. Just too little, sorry, of an extension. It's unfortunate, but that's okay. I wouldn't mind popping up to yesterday's high, maybe getting a little breakout out of yesterday's high. And then we are due for a pretty substantial move back down. Hopefully. That really depends on today. NFP. So yeah, that's all the pairs that I'm in currently. What do you think of pound yen? I don't trade pound yen. Oh God. This is about as standard of an uptrend as you can get. High lows, high highs. I'd be looking at probably the for pushback down. If not, it might just continue to drive up. We'll just have to see. I don't know, to be honest. That's got to be fundamentally broken to drive it back down. Not sure. But just seems like it's going to go up. Or at least bounce off of here, so it probably wouldn't be the worst buy in the world. I probably would have gotten down here. RSI is pretty extended, so not all the way, but I wouldn't have gotten in that myself. Oh shit, I went way too far. What's good? Jay, what's going on? I don't know if you're still in here, but what's going on, Jay? I don't think you are. Damn. Hello. It's good to see you back. Opportunity for liquidity, sweet. Matt, thank you very much for following me. What are you trading? Forex, currencies. Hey Tom, I got 1 hour, 5 minute going great. Ready for NFP, no stress. Good. Okay, so you got rid of the 5-5. Yeah, that shit's fucked. Speedy's hanging in there. He's hanging in there somehow. I don't know fucking how, but he is. Yeah, NFP should be good. I mean, I'm sitting in fucking virtually no drawdown. I've done 2% this week. Been basically perfect this week. Basically perfect. But good to hear you going to the normal strat. What's your thoughts on XRP? I don't have thoughts. Fuss, thank you very much for following me. Baby and Big Dog, thank you very much for following me. How long did it take you to be confident in your trading strategy? 2 years. In this strategy, 6 months. In my trading altogether, 2 years. Harry, thank you very much for following me. Do you trade crypto? No. Big Dog again, thank you. What's up? Not much. How are you? Does it pay bills? Yes. Baby, thank you again for following me. What are you trading? Forex, currencies? The stream's starting to pick up. It's like, do I stay on for another hour? You know what I mean? I'm off. See you tomorrow. See you later, Meeksy. Thank you very much for all the likes. I appreciate that. And I'll reply to your message later. I left it unread, so I know to reply. Sometimes it gets caught up in shit. But yeah, all good. Thank you very much. Fucking how many likes did you? 15,000. Jesus. Thank you so much for that. Thank you so much. Rip Joda. Yeah, I didn't even know who he was, so yeah, but rip. Hold up. I gotta practice my looks maxing face. Hold up. Fuck. Hold up, guys. Hold up. I gotta get the looks maxing face ready, okay? I can't even look at myself when I do it. Bro! Yeah. Where did all my viewers go? We just halved in viewers. What the fuck? How can I get in with you? What do you mean? How much coin does it take to get started realistically? You can start with a couple hundred, but I would suggest a couple of grand from just starting to be able to pay bills. How many weeks, months, average? Oh, mate, you're looking at it. It depends on your account size. That's all that matters. GB the King, thank you very much for following. But what's so funny? Emotional dad. What are you guys talking about? What are you doing? Locked into the back. Bro, the stream is making you do weird stuff after a few hours. Yeah, I know. Alright, that's enough, buddy boy. Yeah. Yeah. Fuck, I just gotta make sure. I got everything. Thank God I'm not famous. Hikanashi, that's funny. Tom, my monster. What do you mean? I usually drink Flying Power, but there's one in the fridge. I wanted to save it for the morning. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is Hey Throat Energy Drink. What did I just join to? What are you talking about? Yo, can I copy your trade? No, I don't do copy trading. You can learn from me and use the same settings as me as with my bot, and then you'll probably get into pretty much the exact same trades as me, but I don't do copy trading. Time for you, 8:53. Did we reach 400 members in the Discord? I really want you to be my mentor. I can. That's what I'm here for. The mentorship's in my bio. Did we reach 400 fucking members? Oh my God! We hit 400 members in the Discord. We hit 400. That's fucking awesome. Thank you, everyone. Makes me really happy. That's actually awesome. Buzzard, thank you very much for following me. Party time. Yeah, that's a great excuse. Guys, I'm off for the night. I actually got to get to the bottle shop before it shuts. Woo! 400. No, sir, thank you. Nah. Right, it's like crazy. Like, it's not that much, because obviously, you know, other people have like a lot more, but yeah. Yeah, it's fucking wild. You don't really come on live that much. I'm live every single day. Literally every single day. 6:45 PM, around there. Australian Eastern Standard Time. Every day. Monday to Friday. Sometimes Sunday, depending if I've been drinking. Alright, speaking of, bottle time. I want you to be my mentor. It's what I'm here for. Bro, that's crazy. That's absolutely crazy. What the fuck? About to start trading? Definitely glad I took the leap in your Discord. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. You are the star of the mentorship, guys. Definitely. Like, you're the one that fucking actually took it seriously first. There's so many people, like, join and then they just give up. Like, so I can see who's watched the videos in the WAP. Like, I can see who's watched them and who's... Bro, people, like... I don't even know how many people have joined so far. I can check. But... out of the people that have joined, the majority of them have not watched anything. Like, they don't even bother watching it. It's actually crazy. So you were like the first that actually came in and actually tried. Users. 27 people have come through, and of those 27, I think about, I don't even know. Maybe 6 or 7 of you have watched most of the videos. But that's pre-masterclass as well. It's fucking wild. It's like, what? Just, I don't understand. But you are doing so good. Even with what's going on. It's like, to me, that's even like a good thing. Oh, I didn't see that message underneath. But I've had a few close profit. Yeah. Yep. Yeah, for sure. Just be careful. There's NFP again tonight, and it's gonna go fucking ballistic. So bear in mind, you could get in a lot more trouble. I haven't got the chance, but Big Will has filled me in heaps. Oh, no, the masterclass. I mean, from our calls and stuff, and like you coming in here and asking the questions and asking me questions on here and all of that shit, you would probably know the majority of the stuff in there. Because you actually ask the questions. It's just a lot of people either don't ask questions or fucking... I just wanted to make sure it was there so people could know. Where are you trading from? I'm from South Australia or South Africa? I'm in Brisbane, Australia. Fuck, man, this light gets too much after a couple of hours, eh? Like, it's just too much. My eyes last night were fucking bloodshot red. Like, bloodshot red. Last night. After fucking staring at this light. It's cooked. Man. 400. That's wild. And we hit 650 on YouTube yesterday too. Or the day before. Just like crazy. And we're close to 4,000 on TikTok. They're small numbers compared to the majority of people. You know, we're almost at 3.8k. Small numbers compared to the majority of people, but for me, it's fucking absolutely crazy. Like, absolutely crazy. So thank every single one of you for contributing to the community. guys. What are we analysing today? Everything. South Africa? Mad. Hey, can't wait to start learning. What up, Toby? Get stuck into it. Is this... Who? Have I seen you before? There's like... I'm not even kidding. There's like 10 Tobys. I don't know why there are so many Tobys, but there are. And then profits on NASDAQ. Nice, nice. What do you think about gold for NFP? No idea. I don't trade gold. I don't know how it reacts to NFP. Do you trade NFP? Yeah. Just subscribe to YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Thank you. I've done my best to reassure him though. Reassure who? Big wheels? I don't know what you're... I'm confused. Is Pocket Opinion a good source to trade on? I don't even know what that is, so probably not. Oh, fucking eyes. I need a different light. Maybe it's just this light that's fucked. But it kills my fucking eyes, eh? If you're not following already, hit the follow button. Hit that follow button up the top here. I go live every day. Is your bias bullish or bearish? Towards what? NFP? Probably bearish. Yeah, well, I messaged him. He has 2 accounts, and I messaged both of his accounts, and I was messaging him heaps before too, walking him through like a bunch of shit. But he never replied to me. I literally messaged him on both of his accounts, so I don't know what, like, I don't know what to do from there besides, like, I walked him through a bunch of stuff, tried to get in a call with him or whatever, but yeah, I don't know, I'm trying, but yeah, it's fucking bizarre. I'll see if he's watched any of the videos. Is your bias bullish? How long did it take for you to be profitable? 1.5 to 2 years. What's the most you've made in a day? In a day, I don't know. I don't really go day by day. Bullish towards all-time high, or bullish towards New York low from yesterday? Oh, no idea. Absolutely no clue. I don't trade whatever you're talking about. Well, I don't even know what instrument you're talking about, Crash. Euro USD. You want to look at it? Are you talking about... Do you want to be my clipper too? Clip by Eli. Hello, do you have any beginner guides? Yes, it is in my Discord. Discord's linked to my bio. I have a 1-hour video for beginners, yeah. What do you trade on? MetaTrader 4? How early can I make profit? Oh. Oh, I didn't even see that. What the fuck? Wait, what? Wait, what? I was talking to Swee and then I read your name. Sorry, fucking hell. It's really small. Need the lighting more dimmer. Man, can you dime it down or is it just a laser light at the eyes? Nah, like I can, but it gets really dark. Like that's the darkest. One setting more is the darkest and then it's just too dark. And then if I increase the camera settings, it has lots of noise. I actually had it higher. I had it there, but that's just fucked. I cannot look at that. So that's one down from the bottom. And then there's other settings too, but that's blue, like really blue. I couldn't do that. And that makes me look like a fucking, I don't even know, Donald Trump. So that one's the best. Yeah, sorry. Hello, do you have any beginners guys? Yep, as I said, Discord link to my bio. What do you trade on? I trade for. How early can I make profit? Really depends. Really depends on your strategy, who you learn from, all that shit. Tom, which app do you use to trade? MetaTrader 4. Mate, if I invest 500 each day, how much potential return after a week? What? Are you talking more like investing? After well, it depends on the week. That's a super difficult question to answer, to be honest. Weekly, I don't particularly look at my weekly figures, but I mean, this week I've done 2%. But yeah, that's a difficult. I'd have to calculate that shit. I don't know. Yeah, I get you. Gotta look after your eyes though. Yeah. I know. I have good vision too. Like I got really good eyesight, so I don't want to fucking completely cook them. Don't the market open later? Yeah, I don't trade sessions. Is there a difference between MetaTrader 4 and 5? Yeah, MetaTrader 5 sucks. I hate it. It's so buggy. It's better. It's got better features, but it's too buggy. $100 could turn into how much in a week trade? Ugh. I don't know. $100 isn't that much. You wouldn't be making much. Yeah, you wouldn't be making much if you were using proper risk management. Possible to answer is you cannot predict the market. Yeah. I'm new and I see Thrump stocks. Are they good to buy? I have no idea. I don't do stocks. Sorry. Broski, you realize day trading is based of you, my bro. It ain't investing. What are you talking? Wait, what? I'm confused. What Tesla's rate right now? I have no idea. I don't trade it. How much cash did you first invest? 20K. 3.5 years ago. Bro, you would lose that depending on your pip size. I don't know what you're talking about. Agim so solely, thank you very much for following me. Should I buy a MacBook Air if I'm looking to start trading? MacBook Air is fine, but you don't need something like a MacBook Air. They're pretty expensive. You can get pretty much any laptop. As long as it runs okay. And I would double check MetaTrader 4 for Mac. Because I've heard some cooked shit about MetaTrader 4 on Mac OS. But I'm not too sure. I mean, you'd be using a VPS anyway if you were using my strategy, so it wouldn't really matter as that would be Windows based. So I mean, it doesn't really matter. How much do you make in a regular week? Weekly changes all the fucking time. Talking to the other guy in your chat. Oh, okay, all good. I was so confused. What are people on these days? Nah, it's alright. Like, yeah. I'm confused as well about, yeah, it's all good. I just didn't, I was just confused as fuck. X-Joker 4X, thank you very much for following me. How about a Dell laptop? Yeah, that works. Any laptop's fine. EK followed. Thank you very much for following. Meta 5 works though. All good moment. No, bro, no stress at all. It's all sweet. Yeah, MetaTrader 5 works, but developing EAs is a lot easier as they're less buggy, less shit that you have to worry about. And in my experience and watching other algo traders use MetaTrader 5 with expert advisors, there are a lot of bugs, and I did not want to deal with that. I just wanted to go with the safe option of MetaTrader 4, as that's what I've always used. That's just my opinion. Like, fucking people can, do whatever they want. Putting my appointment settings. Yeah, thanks, Speedy. I appreciate it. Thank you. That's funny as fuck. That's actually funny. That's such an appointment setting sentence too. That's fucking funny. That's so funny. It does work. You can download it for Mac OS. I honestly don't know. I've never used a Mac 4, MetaTrader 4, but I feel like I remember something to do with Mac OS and MetaTrader 4. I'd probably just try and Google it or some shit and just have a look. I'm pretty sure it does, but I don't know. It's just something that I heard a while ago. What's your strategy, bro? So it's a new page. Algorithms. Well, I use an expert advisor. I developed an expert advisor to automate the majority of my trading. It's not a scalping bot, which is the majority of the bots that's out there. It's more data swing. I just frees up a lot of my time. I use a version of dollar cost averaging, mean reversion, and martingale. How much do you make annually? I don't even talk about how much I make annually. I talk in percentages, usually based on the month, which is around 7.5%. What's the ratio win-loss on that G? It's scalping? Nah, it doesn't scalp. No. It can scalp. It's very versatile and it can scalp, but I don't scalp with it. Some people do. Like Speedy was scalping to day trading with it, and it did pretty well for a while. The win-loss ratio, so I explained this quite a bit, so if you've heard it a million times, I'm sorry. This isn't the best example. Do I have, I think Euro USD, hold up. Harjot, thank you very much for following me. All right, so I don't know if you can particularly see this, but we're in four trades on Euro USD. So we got 1 sell, 2 sell, somewhere up here, 3 sell, and 4 sells. Is it looking fair? No. I just use these as a bias towards exits. I'll use support and resistance, and sometimes I'll use gaps on the high time frame for potential exits. That's pretty much all I use it for. It's the same as what I'd use yesterday's low and highs, last week's high and lows. They're just biases towards getting out of the market, where price might go to get out. I do have default settings. However, that's just, it's 1 hour time frame. I do 1 hour high time frame. Anyway, so I got my 4 entries here. I've got my break even here, my take profit here. So 1, 2 of these trades are technically losers. 2 of these trades, this is when it gets out, which it inevitably will. It'll just might take a couple of days to get back, depending on NFP. This is Euro USD. We could crash back down. So technically, this is a 50% win rate. But it's actually, if we took this trade and it made money, which it almost always does, this entire trade basket, so the basket of trades that we have, is actually profitable, right? So even though my win rate's gonna say 50%, it's actually a profitable position. It's so my win rate changes fucking all the time. And then if I adjust these TPs to, say I want to target last week's low, and then all of them get out, then you get, so yeah, it's really hard to determine the win rate. Oh fuck, I didn't mean to do that. TikTok, where are you? There we go. Do you just do trading for a living? Yeah. So how long did it take for you to do that with confidence? About 2 years. 2 years till I went live. And I was confident. I obviously have the stuff, like I have the mentorship group, but that pays me absolutely nothing. Because I charge absolutely nothing for it. I should be charging like $2,000 for this shit, but I'm not. Because I'm not a fucking scamming piece of shit. Like for I wanted. Yeah, 1 hour high time frame for my high time frame bias, and then 5 minute for entry. Needs to meet both criterias before getting in. How do you get the bot at all? I developed it. Indicators. Is it all automated? Yeah, it's automated. And then the indicators, like the fair value gap indicator, I just developed to fucking just chuck on the charts just so it's there. I don't have to fucking draw them or anything. That's why there's always so many, because it just draws them on and I just fucking just leave it. I don't have to fucking draw them in or anything. DVN Jason, thank you very much for following me. Yeah, fair. How do you start? Go to my Discord. Discord's linked to my bio. Go watch the 1 hour free video. It's just the complete fucking basics. You get some insight, some knowledge on that. Are you a profitable trader? Yes. What do you look for an entry on the 5 minute? Moving average, crossover. It's very basic. Very basic. Mate, what up, Jay Eads? Are you in anything? Yeah, heaps of shit. At least you seem honest. Everyone rambles saying they make 20K a week. Bullshit. That's why I do this, because everyone is full of shit. I just say it how it is. And if you're in here a lot, you will see that I expose people too. It's pretty fucked. Well, I don't say who they are, but I expose the industry. I don't see this. X-Joker Forex. Thank you very much for the tiny diny in the heart me. That's horrible of me to fucking miss that. I apologize, mate, but thank you very much. Thank you. That's fucking awesome. Thank you. Sorry, bro. Sorry about that. I was fucking rambling on about some shit. Liquidity grabs. Nah, that's all ICT bullshit. So I call them fair value gaps now because I've just adopted it because everybody else has. But these were known to me as wide range bars, which have been around since the 1990s. ICT just renamed it. Renamed all this shit. I want nothing to do with ICT. I was using these before I even knew what a fair value gap was or who ICT was. Whoa. What the fuck? Trent, Level Sports, and All About Money. Thank you guys very much for following me. Is he what moving average? Exponential on the 9. Are you based in Australia? Yeah, Australia for now. What the fuck? Jay Eads, thank you very much for following me. Thoughts on prop firms? I think they're a terrible instrument for new traders to get into. They essentially are just a get-rich-quick scheme, right? So, holy fuck. Alex, thank you for the daily follow. Aniket, thank you very much for following me. Yeah, you can absolutely stop doing that. They're essentially a get-rich-quick scheme for beginner traders, right? It is exceptionally hard to make money on prop because of the rules that they have. The only way they make money is from, fuck that noise, is from you failing your challenge account. So if you're failing your challenges, they're making money. They make the rules so strict that they want you to fail. It's all demo. They're not real accounts. It's all demo accounts. They make nothing from you actually making money on their accounts. They're actually losing money. How does this 80-20 profit split work? They're just taking 20% off your profits because they don't want you to have more money. That's all it is. It's fucked. Damn, look at all these follows. What the fuck? Richard, thank you for following me. What app are you using for this? MetaTrader 4. Josue Marino, thank you very much for following me. So many followers. We got 70 today? What the fuck? We're rolling. We are absolutely rolling. Oh, we're about to hit 3.8k? What the fuck? One more and we get 3.8. Who's going to be the 3,800th follower? 69. Fly with me. Come fly away. Do, 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 do. Thank you guys. Thank you. Thank you for following me. I appreciate it. We hit 3.8. That's fucking awesome. What broker are you using? Live account? Yeah, it's live. Oh, this isn't. This is just a demo account, but on my VPS live account. And I use Black Bull Markets. Thank you very much for all the followers. Guys, I really appreciate it a lot. How's Top Step for a beginner? Terrible. All prop firms terrible for a beginner. Which platform is the best for the bot to work on? Only works on MT4. I coded it on MT4 and it's only for MT4. Jay, thank you very much again. And come fly with me. Come fly away. Thank you. Chris, thank you very much for following me. Are you buying or selling? I mean, buys and sells. All right, my dude, good chat. I got a dip, but followed you. Thank you very much, Richard. You have a fantastic evening. Thanks for tuning in and coming and talking some shit. I appreciate it. See you next time. Thanks for that. I use Go Markets in Australia. Have you got any better ones? I don't even know what Go Markets is. Oh, that's the broker. Yeah, Black Bull. Black Bull Markets is the links in my bio. They will be 100% better than these guys. My recommendation: do your own research, all out shit, blah blah blah. But yeah, I can almost guarantee Black Bull Markets will be better. Do they cap leverage at 1 to 30? Yeah, they do. Yeah, fuck that. 1 to 30 leverage. Can you even do anything with that? Their commissions lower than Black Bull's, but you got fucking 1 to 30 leverage. That's rubbish. Terrible. Is Top Step good? It's good for a prop firm, yeah. You too, my bro. Have a good night. Easy, you too. Okay, you're getting fucking muted. Regulated broker. Black Bull's regulated, yeah. Not with, I think they're regulated with the ASIC, but they regulate under the FMA, which is Financial Markets of New Zealand, so you get high leverage. But it's not like some sketchy fucking Bermuda broker that's registered to some fucking patch of grass on a fucking island with 3 streets. Who's Manita Markets? Is anyone from the US that has a good broker with high leverage? Thanks, mate. Appreciate it. Have a good night. You too, brother. What do you typically make in a day? I don't know. Daily, it changes every day. Raz Tattoos, thank you very much for following me. I actually know someone called Raz. No. Different. Yes, but I've been grandfathered in. I get 300. I don't know what that even means. Grandfathered in. The Rapid Drop Bear. Holy shit. 10 Community Fest. Thank you very much. Thank you. Kay, thank you very much for following me. You got muted. Yeah. Rapid Drop Bear with 10 Community Fest. Thank you. That's fucking awesome. Thank you. Just passing through. No worries, mate. I'm about to jump off anyway, very shortly. If you're not following me, and if you're not on the Discord, are you feeling okay? Like, seriously? Everyone's fucking apparently gone quiet, so that's my cue. Let's see. How many people jumped in the Discord today? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 people have jumped in and are actually gonna start doing some shit. I hope, because the majority of people just give up in 5 fucking seconds, which I can't do anything about. That's just people losing motivation. Is to buy on the cards? Yep. How long did it take you to be profitable in Forex? 1.5 years. Are you checking gold? Nah, I don't trade gold. Currencies only. I used to trade indices, but it's too much at the moment. Interesting. Okay. Do you like TJR? No. I don't know the guy, so I can't really say that, but I don't know. I don't know. Just not the biggest fan. What do you trade? Currencies, Forex, CFDs. Alrighty, guys, I'm gonna jump off. That was a really good stream today. I really appreciate that from everyone. Thank you very much for 3,800 followers on TikTok. Fucking 400 members in Discord. And 650 subscribers on YouTube. Literally hitting 3 semi-milestones in fucking like 24 hours. Absolutely insane. So thank you guys very much. I appreciate it a lot. How you doing? Well, what up, Silver Lady? Thank you. Thank you. I really appreciate it. It's all thanks to you guys. If it wasn't for you guys, I'd be, you know, there would be no stream. Silver Lady, night. See you later. Bro, I jump off right now, wait for red files, then US news. I don't go live for that long. 10:30 in an hour? Fuck that. I got shit to do. I can't just sit on live stream all fucking night. Where do you live? Brisbane. Australia, Queensland. Yeah, I'm gonna pop off. I've been live for almost 3 hours. 2 hours, 42 minutes. What? It's 1 PM right now. Yeah, it's 9:30. Live your best you. I will, you too. Lockie, thank you very much for following me. Man, we finally got our viewers back. TikTok was like, okay, you can have them back. Fucking hell. Alrighty. You guys have a fantastic evening. I'll be back tomorrow, 5:45 PM, 6:45 PM Australian Eastern Standard Time. Join the Discord if you're not in there. If you have any questions, just, I'm gonna check the Discord. All sweet, just send me a message or whatever, and we'll go from there. Have a fantastic evening.